Hello guys, explanation information, the best place for online tech news and more. And today I'm going to be showing you the 5 best apps for mobile to get edit your videos. Now the first one on the list is Kinemaster. Now Kinemaster is the most popular, and I'd say it's the most easiest to use too, and it has the best features. So you can select your media file as usual. And if Kinemaster has a very easy UI, it's like a circle where it has all your other buttons that you need. The text is very easy to use. You could animate the text of how it goes in. You could change the font, glows, and all that good stuff. Alright, with Kinemaster you can also add overlay images. So if you want to just add something like a subscribe button or something like that, Kinemaster always make it easy to do that. And Kinemaster also have effects and overlays, which is something that all video editors has. And it also has a marketplace where you can purchase overlays and different green screen files. And after you're done, all you have to do is choose your bitrate, FPS, and then you can export it, and that's all. Now the next one we will be showing you now. Now the next one on the list is called a Power Director, which I'd say is the second most popular. Now Power Director I'd say is my least favorite, but in terms of the ratings and stuff, most people like it. I just don't like how the UI looks. It looks very bare to me. And yeah, I just don't like it. I mean, it's very simple you have a text editor. But I don't think it's as good as Kinemaster of how you can edit the fonts. Kinemaster makes it really easy with all its overlays. This one, you have to go a little bit too complicated in sometimes. But Power Director is definitely a good one if you want an easy to use editor on your mobile phone. And you can export it to many places. Now to get 4K and 1080p, you'll need to have the premium version. Now the next one is InShot. This one is very different from Kinemaster and Power Director. And this is how like the other ones are looking like. Kinemaster and Power Director are like the two premium ones, the actual official good editors. All the other ones have this like same simple layout, but InShot is a very good one. It's definitely ranks up there in top 5. All you'll do is select your video, and it has a little slide UI where you have all your options to edit your video. You could trim, add text, different effects, and things like that. And you can save it and export it once you're done editing. Now the next one on this video is called Viva Video. It has the same like UI as InShot, but they're all very different and unique in their own ways. It has the same slide UI, but it has different features that InShot doesn't have. This one you could change the speed, so if you want like 4 times or 2 times speed in the video at different parts, you can change your speed in the video. Alright, so the last one is Viva Cut. Now Viva Cut is definitely like my second favorite other than Kinemaster. I just like the simple UI, and it's definitely one of the best. It ranks up top. Now, you can only have the video 5 minutes if you don't have premium, and some other features are out, but if you definitely do have premium and you want a good editor, you should definitely purchase premium and use this editor. Now, you can also animate your text. There's different features like effects. You can also add your music overlays. And Viva Cut is like InShot and Viva Video, but it just has more features.